Welcome to Arcticraft Studio. In this exciting video, we dive deep into the captivating world of mixed media artistry. Join us on a creative journey as we unlock the secrets behind mastering various mixed media techniques that will take your artistic skills to new heights. What you'll discover: exploring the versatility of mixed media. Learn how combining different mediums such as acrylics, watercolors, textures, and found objects can result in truly unique and captivating art pieces. Harnessing color and texture. Discover the art of blending colors, layering textures, and creating depth to add an extra dimension to your artwork. Creative process demystified. Watch as we break down the step-by-step process of creating a stunning mixed media masterpiece. From conceptualization to finishing touches, tips and tricks from the pros. Gain insights into the techniques used by seasoned artists at Arcticraft Studio and how they use unconventional materials to achieve breathtaking effects. Unleash your inner artist. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, this video is packed with inspiration and guidance to help you confidently dive into the world of mixed media. Get ready to ignite your imagination, experiment fearlessly, and create art that truly reflects your unique style. Join us in mastering mixed media, unleashing creativity with Arcticraft Studio, and let's embark on a journey of self-expression through art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest artistic adventures. Let's paint the world with creativity together. Feel free to personalize the description further based on the specific content and style of your video. This description provides viewers with a preview of what they can expect from the video and the benefits they'll gain from watching it. Thanks for watching.